Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. The number of drones used for a wide range of commercial uses, including package deliveries, is poised to take off. Couldn't resist that, but it's true. And a company named PrecisionHawk recently was awarded 2 patents for an automated unmanned air traffic control system that may help to speed things along. About the need for such a system, Vice President and inventor Tyler Collins says,
We're all excited about package delivery. Companies like Amazon have been talking about that for years. Companies are now talking about flying taxis and being able to go, short distances in electrically powered helicopters at low levels. And a lot of this probably taking place in very dense urban environments.
There's much more to come. Check out PrecisionHawk.com for info. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. How many companies out there have continued to innovate when it comes to building a better radio? I'm Fred Fishkin, host of Techstination, and I'm here to tell you about the new CC Skywave SSB radio from the wonderful people at C-Crane. Bob and his crew really love radio, and it shows in this new compact model that is packed with features. Beyond great AM and FM reception and sound, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world, listen to ham radio operators, aviation, and more. It's the radio you'll turn to every day, and in emergencies. It will run for nearly 3 days on just 2 AA batteries. Pair the sleep timer with the new Soft Speaker 3, and you've got the perfect radio for your nightstand. Of course, it can wake you up too. Click on C-Crane at Techstination.com and put in the code Techstination for a free flashlight with your order. They love radio, and you'll love C-Crane.